Did you know one woman's desperate prayer in an ancient temple changed the course of an entire nation? Hannah was broken. Year after year, she watched her husband's other wife have baby after baby while taunting her for being childless. The pain was unbearable. During their yearly temple visit, Hannah couldn't take it anymore. She fell to her knees and prayed with such raw desperation that her lips moved silently, pouring out her soul to God. The high priest Eli saw her and assumed she was drunk. "How long will you be drunk? Put away your wine," he scolded her publicly. Through tears, Hannah explained, "I'm not drunk. I'm a woman of sorrows. I've been pouring out my soul before the Lord." Eli realized his terrible mistake. "Go in peace. May God grant what you've asked for." Hannah conceived and gave birth to Samuel, who became one of Israel's greatest prophets and leaders. Her moment of deepest humiliation became the turning point that shaped a nation's future. Sometimes your breakthrough is hiding right behind your breakdown.